Mr. Tremosa? Tremosa, I'm sorry, I can't read it properly. Forgive me. Ramon, you have the floor.
Moltes gràcies, senyor president. Dear colleagues, dear Commissioner Kallas, the new Spanish government, which is supposed to be market-oriented, doesn't agree with the new TEN-T regulation and with the new map of European priority projects for rail freight transport. It seems that Spain will push to include more and more corridors, diluting the concept of European interest and European added value in the priorities that the Commission has identified. This position of the new Spanish government creates confusion and worries in Catalonia, especially in many multinationals. They are considering now to freeze new investments until the uncertainty is over on the Mediterranean corridor. Could the Commission confirm that it will stick to the criteria of cost-benefit analysis and European technical standards when considering projects? Moreover, will the Commission keep the mandatory nature for Member States to implement the core network projects identified? Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, honourable member. We have had so far only rumours and talks, indirect talks, that the Spanish government has some intentions to change their approach. So far we have the same approach